Hey everyone, hope you all are doing absolutely well. A week has passed by and here we are once again providing you all weekly update about aviation industry. For better delivery, we have divided our stories according to the topic. So, let us start.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
861 knots, runway 25 left, clear for takeoff. 25 left, clear for takeoff, Singapore, route 610.
Follow up on our previous week update. Air Namibia grounding has been overturned by court. Last week, Government of Namibia was finding option for Air Namibia. Following that, Government of Namibia had decided to ground Air Namibia effectively from midnight Wednesday, that is 8th of July 2020. However, on Wednesday evening, the suspension operation of Air Namibia had been overturned by High Court of Namibia. ESA recommends suspension of all Pakistan pilot license. Last week, European Union Air Safety Agency ESA had suspended PIA's authority to operate over EU member state for a period of 6 months. This week, ESA had recommended that third country operator bar all the pilot licensed by Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority. Emergency in sky. Air France Boeing 777-300 returned to reunion due to smoke in cockpit. On July the 11th, Air France flight number 670 was inbound from Reunion to Paris. The aircraft was Boeing 777-300 and was carrying 468 people on board. But the aircraft had to return to Reunion after crew reported smoke inside cockpit. The aircraft safely landed after 4 hours and 45 minutes of departure from Reunion. This week, USA sky was filled with aircraft with medical emergency. 3 aircraft landed with medical problem. June the 5th, American Airways flight attendant passed away on flight. The flight attendant was 61-year-old and was working with American Airways from last 20 years. This incident took place on board American Airways flight number AA1296 from Indianapolis to Dallas. His wife was also a flight attendant. Both husband and wife were working on the same flight when he passed away. A flight attendant of American Eagle flight number AA3880 from Texas to Chicago was badly injured when the aircraft encountered a severe turbulence. The aircraft was descending to flight level 160 when it encountered turbulence. After around 15 minutes, the aircraft landed safely on O'Hare Airport runway 27 left. 4 flight attendants were taken to hospital after Spirit Airways flight. When the incident took place, Spirit Airways Airbus A320-200 was performing flight number YK614 from Minneapolis to Washington. The 4 flight attendants were feeling lightheaded and were rushed to hospital after the aircraft reached its respective parking gate. Airline said that there was no symptom of COVID-19. Airlines started resuming their flight. As more of the world open up, airlines are trying to increase their flight. Air France announced on June the 10th that they would be increasing their flight schedule for summer 2020. By September, they are hoping to achieve 50% of flight schedule and pushed it to 60% by October. Austrian Airlines announced that it would be doubling its flight schedule by October. As the sky of Europe are getting busier day by day, with more and more airlines announcing resumption of their activity. Austrian Airlines is planning a series of new routes and increased capacity as it looks to resume normal operation. British Airways set to resume flight from its second hub, that is Gatwick Airport. On March the 31st, British Airways announced that they would be suspending Gatwick Airport operation. Now, the airline is resuming its operation from Gatwick Airport, but only to long-haul destinations. From Gatwick Airport, British Airways will initially resume flight to only Caribbean destinations. As the aviation industry started to come back alive at Europe and United States, but in other parts of the world, the story is different. From a last couple of months, Thai Airways was going through some tough time, and now airlines announced it is suspending normal operation until September. Blaming continuous immigration restriction and government measures, Thai Airways has suspended international flight until September. Thai Airways began suspension of its flight back in March as COVID-19 started to bite. The national carrier of Australia, Qantas Airways, halts international flight sale until March 2021. As Australia continues to restrict arrival of foreign tourists, Qantas Airways has pulled sales for international flight through the end of March. Qantas Airways CEO has previously stated that international travel will not be on the horizon of airlines until middle of 2021. That is all for this video. Thank you everyone for a valuable time. Hope the video might have been informative to you. If you like the content of the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you have any suggestion for the video or you want to share anything with us, then please mention it in the comment section down below. In order to get update about our weekly videos, follow us on social media. Link for all the social media accounts will be given in the description down below. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.